Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick garden tour and I'm going to show you what vegetables and fruits we are growing for the year 2020. So this is the panoramic view from the left to the right side of my garden. So let's start from the left side. So this year we have added beds. Last year we didn't have any. So this is a small bed where we have kept eggplants. We have three different type of eggplants. And also in the back we have Indian beans. And we have added a marigold plant in between to attract some bees for pollination. And in this corner we didn't have anything last year, but we have put some pots this year. First we have some jasmine, and in these two big pots we have some tomato plants, and in the black pot I have a moringa. It is still a baby plant, and I also have custard apple that is growing from a seed. We are just trying to experiment. And in this big pot we have eggplants, and in the last two pots I just had some extra moringa seeds, so I potted them as well. So here I have a really big mint plant. I would say mint garden. Mint is like very dominative. It takes over every place that is left in the area, and it's taking over the blueberry plants as well. These are the two blueberry plants I have amidst the mint, and here I have a mulberry plant, rather tree, since it's grown a lot from last year. And as you can see, there are a lot of mulberries on the tree. This year we got a really nice yield of mulberries. And in this corner we used to have some crouton plants, but we pulled them out because they are of no use to us. And here is again another jasmine plant. I have lemongrass, marjoram and some petunias in the small pots. And this is a yellow bell flower. And if you see last year's video, it is really small, like 2 feet height, but now you can see it grew very tall. And this is a blackberry plant, and it's flowering right now. As you can see, pretty blackberry flowers. Here I have some long chili plants, and these didn't die from last 2 years. They survived the winters. And this is an avocado plant, which is a volunteer plant in my backyard. We didn't plant it, so it's growing well. And here I have two varieties of chili. This is chili pequin, and this is also didn't die in the last winter. And this is serrano pepper. So these two both chili plants, they didn't die last winter. And this is chocolate mint in the ground. And here I have bell peppers. These also plant from last year. We didn't have a really harsh winter, so most of the plants survived. Here I have a bean vine, and here I have a ridge gourd, also known as Chinese okra. And in this pot I have pink jasmine. It bloomed a lot, but now all the flowers are gone. And here in the small pots I have added some flowering seeds, so they are still sprouting. And in the ground I have some Indian cucumber behind the pots. And this is a tomato plant, and there's a chili plant as well in the behind. So as you can see, small tomatoes they are coming. And this is another bean vine plant. Here I have some beautiful flowers. I have orange mini roses, lots of marigolds, some Asiatic lilies, and some banana canna lilies. They are so beautiful and makes the garden much pretty. And there in the pot I have a flowering plant. I have roses again, and this is ridge gourd, also known as Chinese okra. Here I have again 2 tomato plants. And in the pot I have a lily that is yet to bloom, and this is another ridge gourd. And here I have a chili plant. My friend gave it to me last year and it survived the winter. And another mini rose plant. This is pink in color, more likely a violet pink. And this is Indian beans. As you can see, small beans already came to the plant. I'm so excited for these because beans are my favorite. So we have a lot of bean plants in our garden. And this is another chili plant my friend gave and it survived. And in this corner we didn't plant anything, we just kept extra soil and tools there. And this is my curry leaves plant, which is so huge. Year by year it grows super tall and gives us the fresh curry leaves in abundance. I share a lot with my friends and I make a lot of different spice powders with curry leaves, and I have them on my blog. Do check it out if you are interested. And this is a new addition as well. We have got a new compost bin, and in the corner we have some chili plants, and these are long beans. We have 5-6 plants here, and we have super long trellises to support the long beans. And this is a pear plant, rather a pear tree, which is not doing really good compared to the previous years because it got pear blight. And it is here we have snap peas. These are super sweet. The variety is sugar snap peas. And here I have a star jasmine. It smells amazing, and we got this last year. It was a small plant, but now this year it grew very well and it's blooming like crazy. So money well spent on that plant. I think we spent around $8. And here I have a lime tree and hibiscus as well. And this is the long one. This one is the pomegranate. We didn't have much success with pomegranate. It flowers, but all the flowers are dropping. And in this bed we have 2 types of chilies. So this one is a jalapeno. On the label it said jalapeno, but they don't look like jalapenos. And I have a bell pepper and as well as Thai chili on the bed, as well as some baby corn. And in this corner we have sweet potatoes. So these are again my 2 tiny curry leaf plants, which I am growing them from last 8 years. In the black bag I have sweet potato, and all these pots are roses. I love roses. These yellow mini rose. So I have a lot of different types of roses. I like to buy them whenever they are cheap. And this is my guava plant. As you can see, flowers are coming. Soon they will bloom. It's not a big plant because it got so many canes from the bottom, so it's more like a bush. And here in this bed we have lot of onions and as well as 2 tomato plants. So this year we are trying to experiment with onions and at least to self-sustain for a couple of months without buying any grocery store onions. And here I have a couple more curry leaf plants and 2 vining tindora. also known as ivy gourd. And lastly we have the mighty mango plant. This is a super small plant for now, but it grew a lot compared to last year. If you want to see the growth, check the last year's video. And also it's flowering right now, so I'm excited for that. And this is a new addition as well. This is a banana plant, so we are hoping that this year this grows well. And in this corner I have a jasmine plant again. As you can see, it's flowering right now. It's not giving like so many flowers, but we are happy with whatever we got. We kept it in this corner so that we can grow over the fence, and it looks beautiful whenever it blooms. So let's go back to where we started. I have one more bed to show you. So this year we have added a lot of beds just to increase the number of plants that we are growing. This is the view from this corner, and here I have some banana plants again, but these are the bananas that are used for curries and chips and such stuff, but that doesn't grow a lot. Even when compared to last year, it's still the same size. I don't know what's wrong. Again, this is another big bed. Here we have two tomato plants. I think we have three, one in the back and two in the front, and we have a lot of babycorn in the middle. And we have added marigold for pollination to attract pollinators. And this is a tomatillo plant. They have a lot of fruit right now, but they are not growing really good. They are at the same size, so we are working on that. And in this black bag we have sweet potato, vine, and some small plants on the ground. And this is Malabar spinach. It's a vine, and beside that we have edamame, also known as soybeans, and beside that we have a tomato plant. So this is my garden tour. So I hope you enjoyed my garden tour. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates I post. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again with a new video. Bye.